Ever heard of a mobility company selling dog toys?
Hi, welcome at Lynk Co. I'm Martina from the Gear team. Gear is the stuff we have in our clubs that it's not the car. We're not your typical car company. That's why we sell all kinds of products, from sustainable fashion to dog toys, even e-bikes. Our clubs are meant to be more than an average showroom. People come here to have a coffee, work from the couch, and do some nice shopping. This is our way to share with you brands we love and find inspiring. We work with independent brands across Europe who value great design, ethical production, and sustainable products. Like Lynk Co, these partnerships aren't just about selling things, but about experience. We host together events and workshops so you can catch a DJ set, watch a movie, or learn a new hobby. Everything at a Lynk Co club.